Having trouble sleeping? You're not alone. In our fast-paced world, falling asleep, staying asleep, or simply getting enough sleep seems to be a struggle for many. It's a common issue that we often overlook, yet the importance of a good night's sleep for our overall health and wellness cannot be overstated. Sleep is when our bodies rejuvenate, repair, and reset for the next day. It's much like hitting the refresh button on your computer, but when sleep eludes us, it's like running on a low battery. Everything becomes a bit harder, a bit slower, a bit more challenging. We've all tried counting sheep, having a warm bath before bed, or even resorting to over-the-counter sleep aids. Yet these solutions often provide temporary relief at best, and we're left tossing and turning, yearning for a good night's sleep. But what if there was a simple, natural solution to your sleep troubles? Enter cherry juice, a natural sleep aid you might not have considered. This vibrant, tangy beverage is not only delicious but also packed with benefits that can help you sleep better. The real magic lies in its high levels of melatonin and tryptophan. Melatonin is a hormone that regulates your body's sleep-wake cycle, while tryptophan is an amino acid that your body converts into a brain chemical called serotonin, which helps you relax and get quality sleep. Cherry juice is like a double-edged sword, providing both of these sleep-promoting substances in one delightful package. Moreover, it's easy to incorporate into your nightly routine. A glass of this ruby red nectar before bedtime can work wonders for your sleep. But it's not just about sleep. The antioxidants in cherry juice also help eliminate toxins from your body, giving you a fresher, more rejuvenated feeling when you wake up. So, how exactly can you incorporate this magical juice into your bedtime routine? Creating the perfect sleep-inducing cherry juice is simpler than you think. Start by gathering a generous handful of fresh, ripe cherries. Remember, organic cherries are your best bet, as they're free from harmful pesticides and chemicals. Rinse them thoroughly under cool running water. Next, remove the pits. You can use a cherry pitter, but a small knife will do the trick. Once you've pitted your cherries, it's time to juice them. A juicer works best, but if you don't have one, a blender followed by a strainer works too. Pour your beautiful ruby red juice into a glass. Add a few ice cubes if you prefer it chilled. It's as simple as that. No added sugars, no preservatives, just pure, sleep-inducing cherry goodness. The freshness of the cherries makes for a delicious juice that's not just tasty, but also packed with melatonin, the sleep hormone. And there you have it, a simple cherry juice recipe to help you sleep. So let's recap the benefits of this sleep-inducing cherry juice. This natural concoction is packed with a wealth of benefits, making it more than just a sleep aid. Cherry juice is rich in antioxidants, helping to combat oxidative stress and inflammation in your body. This, in turn, can contribute to overall health and wellness. But let's not forget the star of the show, the sleep-enhancing benefits. Cherries, specifically tart cherries, are natural sources of melatonin, a hormone that regulates our sleep-wake cycle. Coupled with the calming effects of the warm liquid, this cherry juice can potentially lead to a deeper, more restful sleep. Preparing this cherry juice is a breeze. All you need are some cherries, a little bit of lemon, and a blender. It's a simple, quick, and cost-effective addition to your nighttime routine. The potential for improved sleep quality is only a cherry away. So why not give it a try tonight? Your body will thank you for the good night's sleep.